Hey everyone, and welcome to ICO Investor. In this video, I'll be showing you a tutorial of the Fairdesk exchange platform. I'll be showing you some of its utilities and features, how to get started trading, and the withdrawal process. But before I get started, this video is not financial advice. This video is just for education and information purposes only. Now let's dive into it. So here is the website once you load it up. And just a quick reminder that all the websites covered in this video will be in the link down in the description below. So make sure to go check them out over there. And yeah, here is how their platform looks. As you can see, currently I am logged in. And as you can see, buy crypto via credit card. They have a ton of different features as well as trading we'll take a look at later. But here are some of the cryptocurrencies that are doing well currently. Right now, the top cryptocurrencies of the market right now, as you can see, Bitcoin, Ethereum, ADA, and some more. Over here they have their application that you can download for your smartphone on Android or Apple. And here are some brief details of some features that they have on why you should choose this platform. They have a 1 millisecond order execution time, 10 plus integrated liquidity providers, over 1 billion average trading volume per day, plus 150K plus executed orders per second. Not only that, but they have some great security, performance, reliability, and all-time support. Now, if you want to get started with their main feature, which is trading on this platform, you're going to go up to the top navigation bar and click on trading and then go down to USDT perpetual trading. Once you click that link, you'll be directed to this page. So it's quite simple to use actually. So on the left-hand side, we have the order book, all the information about the current prices going up, down, and whatnot. We then have the price chart, of course, showing you the exact price points of it going up and down and whatnot. We have some information up top right here for the 24-hour change, the high, the low, and the total volume of BTC. But when it comes to actually opening up new trades, this is the section you want to take a look at. So up top over here, you can select the leverage adjuster that you want to leverage at. So currently it's set at 20 times right now, and I'm gonna just confirm that. We'll go with this. And over here is price that you want to set in USDT and the amount in BTC, the percentage, 25%, 50%, 75%, or the whole entire percent. Let's go with 25%. Also shows you your available balance. For me, it is in USDT currently. And then you can actually just open long or open short trade right away. So it's quite simple, quite easy to use. This platform is really for anyone. Scrolling down, you can also deposit and transfer for your account as well if you would like to. And same thing for when you want to close a trade, you just set the USDT amount, the BTC percentage, and then you can either close long or close short right there, then, and easy. So now that we know how to open and close trades, let's take a look at how to actually withdraw money and the whole withdrawal process once you do earn some money in your wallet. So clicking onto your profile above over here will take you to this page, your dashboard, where you can see all the information about your account. Next, you're going to want to go over to the wallet on the left hand side and then select whatever cryptocurrency you have in your wallet. And then we're going to click on withdraw over here. So if we would like to withdraw USDT, we can just select USDT or whatever cryptocurrency we want to select. You'll then select the network you would like to withdraw to. For me, it is BEP20, Binance Smart Chain. You will then paste the wallet address that you want to withdraw to. Mine's is right over here. And then you'll select the amount that you would like to withdraw. So for me, I'll do max 30. And then over here is the amount to be received. And then finally, once you confirm all these details and make sure they are correct, you'll click confirm right here. Fairdesk also has their own FDT token, and they say that's what's the backbone of their whole ecosystem. And they say their FDT token is the backbone of their whole Fairdesk ecosystem. The token will be used as they add more products and features to the Fairdesk platform. And here's actually some of the benefits of using their FDT token. So there'll be a 50% FDT trade mining. Fairdesk will adopt the trade mining model and release FDT to users gradually. They'll release 50% of FDT as rewards to users in the form of transaction fee refunds. And customers who hold a certain amount of FTD receive lower withdrawal fees or even free. You'll be able to save up to 30% in APR. You can hold FTT and claim daily bonuses, and then transfer your FTT to the bonus. Of course, there'll be an FTT DAO where holders can use FTT for voting, such as Fairdesk DAO, launching new functions, listing tokens, and a lot more. Fairdesk will actually make deep collaborations and cooperations with DeFi projects, and FTT will support NFT auctions in the future. So here is how their tokenomics will play out. So 2% will go to the early bird plan, 23% private investors and public investors, and then 55% trading mining and staking rewards, plus 15% team 2-year lock, 5% back to the advisors, which is also a 2-year lock. And then once you enter the authentication code that was sent to your email, you'll be directed to this page where it will say withdrawal request submitted, and then your withdrawal has been submitted. It's just a confirmation page. Then you want to click confirm right here, and you're all good to go. You're all set. You can check your wallet balance now, and it should be seen as the amount is deducted. As for their roadmap, they got a couple plans coming up. As you can see, for 2021, the Q1, they had their FTT release asset market. Then Q2, they are doing their auction for the NFTs. Q3 will be social trading Fairdesk 2.0 release. Then Q4 of 2022, to end off the year, they are doing a FTT list on AMM and major exchanges. And then Q1 of 2023, next year, they'll be doing the asset market in the FTT DeFi ecosystem wallet. So now that you guys are familiar with the FTT token, here's a recent announcement that came out regarding it. So Fairdesk actually plans a new airdrop round, announces Fairdesk token, FTT token we just covered, trading pairs early June 2022. So they will be doing an FTT token airdrop of 10,000 of their FTT tokens, which is insane. So let's take a look at some of these details. FTT, the token with strong utility. So number one, FTT trading pairs will be available on Fairdesk in June 2022. All fees earned by Fairdesk are used for FTT buyback until half of FTT is burned. FTT to bonus transfers are available at 1 FTT equals 1.5 USDT rate. And then FTT enables up to 50% withdrawal fee discounts. So in terms of the airdrop coming up, there will be a share of 10,000 FTT tokens, which will be airdropped, so approximately 10,000 USDT. Rewards will be distributed in June. Starting date and time will be disclosed on Twitter and Telegram official accounts, so make sure to go check them out over there. There will also be different referral awards, trade mining boosts, sharing your PNL, and then FTT savings. Also, Fairdesk will actually be launching a couple of these tokens: SAN, GMT, MTL, ZIL, APE, USDT futures. So trade to win 6,400 USDT bonus. So as we can see, the Fairdesk launch with all these tokens on May 6th UTC. The new trading pairs will support cross or isolated margin mode with adjustment up to 25 times leverage with either. All 5 trading pairs will be available on the Fairdesk app, website, and API. So make sure to go check that out on May 6th because it's coming up very, very soon. As you can see, the duration is from May 6th to May 12th. So event 1 will consist of total 2,000 USDT welcome bonuses for new futures users. Then going down to event 2, trade and win 3,000 USDT bonus. And during this campaign, 150 users with the highest, and during this campaign, the top 150 users with the highest trading volume that is no less than 5,000 USDT will win a share of 3,000 USDT futures bonus rewards. So as you can see, here are the top couple of rankings that they have. And then over here for first rank, for example, is 100 USDT future bonuses with a minimum trading volume of 500,000 USDT, and then so on and so on, how the rankings will go. And then the third and final event will be PNL, sharing the top 100 users who post orders every day will share 1,400 USDT bonus. Now there's a lot behind this whole Fairdesk project. This is a legitimate company and corporation. They're based in Singapore, and they have done a lot of research and due diligence before this whole launch. They were actually founded by 6 former Binance executives and 3 former Morgan Stanley architects. Fairdesk comes with the mission of providing a fairer, safer, more profitable, and cost-efficient trading service to the clients. They have a couple of their team members, the co-founder and CEO, the director of Fairdesk in Russia and CIS, and their chief product director. As you can see, their LinkedIns are also available, so make sure to go check out who is behind this project and the team. They collaborate with a ton of big cryptocurrency companies and firms. As you can see, here are some of the notable ones, and here's just some features about the platform itself. We know it's reliable, it's transparency, and is trustworthy. Their fairness, they have some good security and system performance, and not to mention the validation that this corporation actually has with their key licenses and certificates. So as you can see, they do have the US MSB license for Money Services Business Regulatory Authority. As you can see, this is verified. You guys can click it on their website and check it out if you'd like to, and as well as the Canada MSB license. So that is Also, both of these certifications are done and complete, so they do hold these certifications, but they have some more yet to come that are in the works. They have the Lithuania VASP license and certificate that will be done in the middle of May, so it is very soon coming up, as well as the Audit by Armors Auditation certificate that will be coming out around May 20th. So now let's talk about VIP traders and what you can expect to see. Because users who register through our referral link will actually have access to VIP benefits. So VIP traders will have access to professional services for their exchange and other functions. Our experienced team works very close with a wide range of market participants to provide bespoke trading solutions. For VIP privilege, the higher your volumes, the higher your VIP status, and the lower your fees are. Discover our tiered VIP fee schedule for higher volume traders available across spot, margin, and futures trading. So that is all you need to get started using the Fairdesk platform. We showed you how to get started trading, how to withdrawal process, and some of their features and recent announcements that came out. So this is definitely a project you're not going to want to miss out on. And just a quick reminder that all the websites covered in this video will be in the link down in the description below, so make sure to go check them out over there. And if you enjoyed this video, make sure to give us a like, leave a comment down below on your thoughts about this project and what questions you may have that we may not cover in this video. Subscribe to the ICO Investor channel so you can keep on getting some awesome content in the cryptocurrency space to help you on your journey. That's all for now. Thanks for being here.